Guys, this app called video to audio is an app that can help you to convert any YouTube video into audio. In case there is a song that maybe you liked from YouTube and you want to download it, this app can help you do everything with it. Now, I'm going to take you through all steps on what you have to do and up to where you're going to download that video into audio. This app is only available in Palm Store. This is Palm Store. If you have Techno phone, then you might be having this app. Then I'm going to tell you another place where you can get this app apart from Palm Store. Now, if you come to your Palm Store app, you're going to here to the search bar, then type video. No, it is not YouTube. Video to MP3, and you can see it here that this is the app. So now when you view, you're going to see that this app is having 3.0 rating, then it is having 18,000 downloads, and this is the size. So this is the app that I am talking about. So all you need is just to click on download and install it. Once it is installed, you can now come to it. This is it. So you have to accept what it is going to ask you. Now when you come here, another step that you need to do is to go to YouTube and pick that song or that video that you've liked and you want its audio. So for example, I will come to there, then from here I am going to search for the song that I really need. Right now, when after downloading this is the song that I need, but this is not, it is right, it is in form of a video, but I want to download it. This is also in form of a video though it is only in picture video, not in any video, but still the same. Now after you come in here, all you need is to come and tap on the share button, then tap on copy to copy the link. Now after copying, all you need is to come to this video to audio to MP3. Then now here you're going to tap here, we long press, then we paste the link. Now after pasting, all we need is to click on convert. Now you can convert to MP3 or MP4, but we want to convert this video into audio, which is MP3. So we are going to tap here to convert, and as you can see, it is checking everything here and checking the video. Let's wait as it is extracting this video into audio. So here it is going to show you the title of the song. Now after it converting, now all you need is to download this video, this audio into your phone or your device. So you're going to come and tap here the download button. Now when you tap on download button, it's going to bring you to Chrome. Now from Chrome here, you're seeing that this is the song that I wanted, but I didn't have it, and I want to download a clear one from YouTube. So let's wait for it to complete the download and complete this video. But if you're new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video and also sharing it. This is a free app. Yes, it may be having some few adverts, but they are short, so you can endure with them as long as you get exactly what you need. So now let's go and check if the download is complete. When you come back here, you can see that this is the song that we wanted to download, and it is on YouTube here. So this is the title you see on YouTube, that is the title it is going to download for you. And now this is the song, so we are going to tap here, then you can listen to the song that we downloaded. So it is now in an audio, that is from here, this YouTube. So you can download anything or any video that you want to download only in audio format. So guys, that is all we wanted to show you. Let's meet in the next video.